everybody, I'm Shannan Scarselletta from ImproVision, and I am here with the wonderful Jay Malsky, who is one of our incredible trainers. And we're here to demo for you an exercise that we do during our programs. So it's called 5 Things. So I'm gonna do Jay first. All right, Jay.
Yes.
Give me 5 things that you could steal in France.
Oh. Baguette.
Yes.
Ham.
Yes.
Cheese.
Yes.
The Eiffel Tower.
Yes.
And midnight in Paris.
Yes!
Yeah!
That's 5 things. That's how you do it. Okay, Jay's gonna do me.
Okay, Shannan.
Yes.
Okay, 5 of your favorite Christmas songs.
All I Want for Christmas Is You. The one that goes with the chestnuts and the open fire.
Yes.
The NSYNC one, very underrated.
Yes.
If Backstreet Boys did one, I'm on that
Yes.
too. Tina Turner.
Tina Turner.
Tina Turner. All right.
I don't think Tina Turner's ever done a Christmas song, but now I want her to. Now I really want to hear it.
So that actually demos the fun and what this exercise really does. It gets you beyond what's there, because I just couldn't think of 5 Christmas songs. But we came up with the idea, wouldn't it be fun if Tina Turner had a Christmas song? And that is a great idea.
Truly.
So you usually use this at the top of our trainings to get people working spontaneously, working together, get them out of that part of their brain that judges what they're saying so they can access their creativity. And
also, by saying yes, you're encouraging that. By audibly saying yes so many times to every single idea, you're encouraging that kind of getting out of your head.
Yes, exactly. So that's it. That's 5 things. Thank you so much.